SWB audio capture, not registered.
All right, let's get started. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I'm here today. So I'm on my old Mac. I've got it plugged in, so it's just charging. It's just charging. All right, sweet. Let's just jump straight into it. Today we are going to do some administration stuff straight off the bat. We're going to do some blog. We're going to run some tests. I've just updated test.nearbeach.app. The web app has stopped. I might need to bring that up. Demo site is working, but it's not on the latest version. Yeah, it's about 6 versions behind. I want to get this up. So, yeah. Give me 2 seconds. I am just going... secret screen. Oh, yep. I won't be long. I'm still here. Please excuse the fact that I have no web camera. I can't show this as the Azure sort of stuff I'm booting up right now. And all I need to do is I just need to hit start. Okay, cool. And now I'm back. All right, sweet. Let's just jump straight into it. So, I want to write a blog post on the marketing site. I want to write some tests. And I also want to double check our WordPress site too. There's a couple of funny things happening, which I want to take care of. Alright, that's as good as you're going to get it with with me doing that right-handed. So let's jump onto the blog. So nearbeach.org. So we've got our blogs. We've got our June blog. And we've just got to go through here and essentially write the blog for next month too. So I'm just going to go nearbeach.org. I'm going to go Umbraco. So we're using the new Umbraco. Once it loads up. Hello? We also have Socks here today. Socks? Want to come over here? No, she doesn't. And I'm hoping Stream Manager doesn't cark it today. So I've got it on my iPad. I've got the chat open and stuff like that. So, yeah. I do know that when last time I streamed here, yeah, let's just say the chat stopped working, which was really annoying. Excuse me, sorry, I was just stretching my legs. All right, cool. A lot of this is all new. So we've got English, we've got this, we've got the blogs. So what I want to do is very similar to this, NearBeach June 2024 goals. We're going to write NearBeach July 2024 goals. I am clicking that, by the way. Oh, that's really annoying. That was weird. All right, NearBeach July 2024 goals. going to pick a background, hero image, or we could do the original. I need to go through and get some more images soon. And I'm sorry, this is rather slow at the moment. I feel like the Golden Temple would be a good one. Now, background color top, we'll go with oh, this is super annoying that I can't move that now. All right. Don't know why that's happening. That is rather annoying. Development blog summary. Halfway through 2024, let's see what we have to achieve this month. Okay. I don't know if that music is rather loud. It is for me. So I can turn it down up here. There we go. I'm going to adjust it there. There. Hopefully the music is nice. So, straight off the bat, we've got working document in the month of yes, there's a lot that just doesn't work here yet. All right. Gonna move myself up a little. We're gonna use the bug counter bugs widget. Don't know why that was like that. And so new feature. Right. Let's go rich text editor. There we go, rich text block. Okay, so new features. This is almost done. So, yeah, this feature has been a lot of work. We are nearing completion for this particular feature. All that is left is have the ability to set cron jobs within the Docker environments. Have the ability to customize the cron jobs within NearBeach Docker environments. Have the ability to modify the scheduled objects after creating. Cool. Yep. So new features, that's gonna be page header, page section. All right, sweet. As for other new features, yeah, we never got to this particular task. So we're just going to copy and paste that in directly. And I'm just wondering if we need, yeah, the usual ongoing tasks and retrospective. So I'm just going to copy all of this. And paste it in. We're going to change some of it. So the usual ongoing monthly tasks. I'm just going to remove that. That's all right. Documentation. Look at spending the documentation. Currently, documentation use. We actually did, didn't we? But we never brought the documentation in. So here we go. Organization, create an organization, and so forth like that. Yeah, we set this all up. We never finished it. So let's talk about finishing this. Documentation was improved last month. However, there is still a lot of work to go. We are hoping to complete it this month. All right, cool. Improvements to unit tests. Yep, that's going to be stock standard. We've done an update for this particular site. As you see, there's quite a number of bugs in it. Nothing we can do. We're just going to have to wait for Embraco to fix them. And the retrospective we haven't done yet. So I'm going to remove that, and I think I'm just going to leave it at that. This is going to be a short month. And no, I haven't. Where did you put them?
I can't see.
No.
If only I had my glasses, I'd be able to see.
You need more pairs of glasses like I do. All right, with the new features, what I want to do is, I'm just umming and ahhing about this one at the moment. I feel like the scheduled task, yeah, the scheduled task is going to take up too much time for that. So I'm just going to do that. All right, we're going to do a save and preview. All right. Oh, sorry. Where were they?
They've fallen down the side of my bed.
Ah.
Yeah, do you want me to get dinner on my way back?
Sure.
If so, what? Or I can just order something.
I will be streaming. I won't be able to.
As in, like, order so that I get back before it comes. I'll fix it.
Yep.
Any thoughts? Preferences?
No, I don't have any.
Cool.
All right. Yeah, I don't know why this has come up with nothing. All right. I'm just going to be bad. Save and preview. Save and publish. All right, we need to update the count of bugs, definitely. So I'll do that this second. So count of bugs. I did have VueTrack open. Okay. Current issues 11. We are scheduling, I think, 3 at the moment. Yeah, I'm just going to say 3. Yeah, because we're at that 11 mark and stuff like that, we're doing a full site shakeout today. We don't have it any sort of locked up. The code coverage and that hasn't changed. We're actually up to 30, and we did that 2 days ago, so the 1st of July. So I'm going to go to save and publish. Okay, cool. So if we refresh, boom, that all updates. We're all happy with that. So yeah, new features, usual ongoing stuff. Why is this different? Okay, I can fix that very quickly. What's actually happened when I copied and pasted everything, it's actually copied in the div container. So we just need to go into here. We just need to view the source. And we just delete this extra container. These 2 extra containers. All right, cool. Gonna hit submit, save and publish. Refresh, we should get everything lined up now. Yep, sweet. So it's gonna be a very small blob, because yeah, we're only focusing on implementing the schedules this month. We definitely want to improve the unit tests and the documentation. And I want to talk about the testing. So if I open up this, new features, I'm fine, sorry. I was meant to open up this one. And then complete. Oh. Oh, something happened then. Slight testing. Okay, cool. So what we want that as a section header, and then we want to be like at the start of the month, we have brought down the number of issues and bugs to 11. This is a good time to start testing everything on the site again. We'll be doing this live on stream. Alright, cool, sweet. Might add in an image in there. So I'm going to create new. All right, soil, hay.
What if I can't get a matching path? Do you want me to get hot and cold tabs?
That should be fine. Yeah. There'll be similar tabs. As long as they fit on the thread. Otherwise, it'll be the shifter.
The bridge.
the shifter. All right, image block, full width image. That's what I want. Let's use something to break up the page. And 6 by 13, that's that. That's IMAX. I think I want something like that. I just want to break up those. Okay. Oh, that's June. Close that. There we go. Just something small to break up the little blog, the new features and the usual content and so forth like that. Easy done. Okay. I'm happy with that. Now, there's other things on here. Oh, screenshots and features. Yep. All right. So I did implement that properly. Okay. So a lot of that needs a bit of spacing. That could be its own image. Yeah. Let's have a look. All right. I like it like that. It's gathering user requirements. That's a whole section, and then got that, and then okay. Yep. All right, love you. Will you drive safe? Okay. I've got to fix this page. This is annoying me. So this is screenshots and filters. So going from the top, we got header and this, which let's just kill that. We've got the rich text block, which would be this. Yep, easy done. And then we've got this with an image, which we're happy with, and then we got a rich text block. Which I just think is this, with just 2 spaces in it. Which is... I think that's cheating. Then we got a rich text. Those rich text and image blocks, I think it's this one where it has nothing and yet it's got change tasks here. And I'm just like... I don't think that works. could potentially work. And then a lot of these other pages don't have, like that doesn't have the gap. Yeah. It'd be nice if we can click these images and a mode will pop up with a full screen image. It's just these ones with the little image up there. All right, cool. Let's at least fix the fix this. So what we want to do is we want to open up the source, and the best thing is we just go class and then we go padding top 0. And that should do it. So if we go back into here and hit refresh. Is it padding? Yeah, padding top. Oh, we might not have padding top in the damn it. Because then we got to go padding top 0. Which is really, really annoying. I don't want to do that. And we've got 2 spaces there where it's meant to be after that. All right, cool. Okay, so gathering user requirements. Gathering customer requirements. Yep, gathering customer requirements, and then we've got the next one. It's got to go under there, and then that'll be blank, and then, yep, all right, cool. So I can fix that easily. As for the H3s, let's just bite the bullet. Padding top 0. And what I'm doing is I'm just going to copy that, and we're just going to paste it very, very quickly on everything. It won't take us long to actually implement this. Now I've noticed that those 2 are meant to join, and then I think it's these 2. We'll just save it and figure it out. So yeah, now that's working. That's lining up. That's lining up. We've still got the little spaces, which is what we want. I might put a div in there instead of these spaces and really give these a bit of space. Now, we might want to turn this one into an image block. Yeah, so let's go image. put that there. We're just going to see what it looks like first. How it looks like first. And we don't have settings on this, do we? No. See, I feel like this would be better up there. Okay, no, it works there. It works there. So then I can get rid of that one. And then we've got a rich text block. And then we've got the next one, which is create project task, which is there. Screenshot of that. Looks like we don't have a gap or anything like that. Let's also double check that I've, added in the style. Sweet. All right, rich text block. Just paste it in. Yep, sweet, done. We'll need another image one for that one. Yeah, because I think these are both blanks. Just get rid of it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to edit these. I'm going to have div style equals padding top. I'm going to go 50 pixels at the moment and just leave it like that. And what we're going to do is we're going to modify it on the front end. So do that, hit refresh, go up here. Now, we don't actually have that. So we've got the section, got the container, and then we've got nothing. I guess it doesn't have anything in it. That's why. Yeah, it doesn't have anything in it. So what we're going to do a couple of spaces. All right, like that. Let's go div style equals padding top 50 pixels. Like so. Let's go to the end. Let's go div and div. Let's hit reload. All right, my phone just went off. Sorry about this. All right. I like that. It's simple, it's easy. I can get that done very, very quickly for the other ones, like this one, and so forth like that. Okay, cool. Let's do that very, very quickly. All right, saving and publishing. Let's hit refresh. Everything should look nice. So we've got a bit of a gap, bit of a gap. We don't have bit of a gap after before create request for change. Okay. So that's, yep, that's fine. Okay, create projects and tasks. It's the next one. So it's this one. Okay. It says it does. Okay. Oh God, my battery is going down. Oh. Do I have it in the wrong spot? That's weird. Oh, it's there. It's there. It's just not big enough. Okay, I'm probably going to change it all to 150 now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in as an image. So this, I think this deserves to be its own image. All right, let's close all of that. Let's create new. Let's go image block. Let's choose an image. It's gonna be this one. I'm just gonna hit submit. I'm just gonna put it above. I'm gonna edit this. I'm gonna be like, all right, we're yanking this. Making sure I yank the right one. Let's delete this. Got the image block. We're going to paste it in. We're going to go submit. Save and publish. Didn't really need to save and publish. But what we wanted to do is we wanted to add 150 to all the rich text blocks. It'll take us a few seconds. I think I did this one, but we'll double check. All right, cool. Gonna hit save and publish. Gonna reload. So now we've got lovely spaces in between everything. All right, cool. So we've got a decent amount of space. It feels fresh. Yeah. All right, I like that. Oh. Okay, cool. That page is done. Documentation is out of here. Community actually goes to our Discord. Source code goes to our source code. Self-hosting goes to our self-hosting page. Blogs will go to our blogs. So yeah, I think that's it to do with the marketing site at the moment. Sorry, I've just got to readjust. My poor laptop is going through charge. All right. I don't have my Mac charger, and it's overheating. All right, not a problem. We've been running for about 40 minutes. That's fine. If I can make it to an hour and a half, I mean, if we can't make it, we can't make it to 10. That's fine. I only need to change that. Okay. So we've just done our blog. We're happy with it. I will need to do the retrospective for this month. That will happen on Patreon for all those who are paying. So yeah. Okay, now we test. Okay, this is taking a little while. I'm a bit concerned that it's actually taking this long of a time. We've got the NearBeach up and running. Ah, there we go. Okay. So I'm part of the administrator. I want to create a user which doesn't have, so we've got team leader. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up this. I'm going to go team leader. We have, yeah, all right, cool. So we're jumping in right now. I'm just double checking what groups we have for the team leader. So I'm just jumping in. They've got the team leader group, all permissions and all that kind of stuff. So, which is great news for us. And we're going to go through and test. We also want to test the read-only user. So let's add in the read-only user. So essentially, we're just giving read-only permissions. We should also test the no permission user. We know those don't work at the moment. We're not worried about those particular ones. We're just going to save this permission. All right, cool. Add user. We don't have read-only at the moment, so we'll just go to users. We'll create new user. We'll call it read_only. We'll have the stock standard generic password. This is a testing environment. Oh, didn't hit that in time. All right, so what I want to do is I want to open up work. Because I haven't added them to a group. So they're part of the QA team. They're part of the read-only permission set. And yeah, well, that's one test which we're done. We've created a new user. We haven't given them any details or anything like that. And yeah, please contact the assistant administrator. You don't have any associated groups. So that is working as expected. And then we log in, bang, like this. I'm going to put on dark mode. So we're going to go into my profile. We're going to go dark themed, and we're just going to update it. Cool. We're going to do the same with the team leader. All right, cool. Let's jump into this. We've got list all objects. Yep, we don't have many objects at the moment. We're going to create quite a lot. List sprints. We don't have many sprints at the moment. Once again, we're going to create them. We don't have any customers, and we don't. I think we've just got the basic NearBeach organization, which I should BSOCs. Give me a second. Persona 5 profile pictures. I'm just going to save this on the desktop. All right, easy done. So we don't have any organization contacts whatsoever, so we're going to add one in right now. So we're just going to up. What's the carbon? Boom. Perfect. Now. Okay, I'm going to say this is a bug. Let's log it as such. So we're going to have a new issue, and what we're going to say is updating profile picture multiple times. Oh, thank you, Nocturnal. And I am so sorry, you guys. Chat has not been updating on my iPad whatsoever. It's the last message I've got. I am terribly sorry. I did not see your messages. And hey, Takara, is it normal that my ThinkPad battery drains in 2 hours? I don't know how long ThinkPad batteries are meant to last for. Yeah, sorry, don't know. And the Bob that I know, you got a new setup? No, I'm just on my Mac whilst I'm at my partner's place. So yeah, I am terribly sorry. Am I outdoors? No, I'm not. This is just the Apple thing doing its own thing. Yes, I'm on my laptop. I am terribly sorry. I don't know why the iPad just didn't have any of my chat on. Because I've been looking at it, been like, all right. And now it's working. The drop came through. All right. Give me a couple of seconds. Yeah. I need to figure out a better solution for this. Can I watch myself? But put it on. Yeah, all right. Cool. There we go. Hopefully that works. I am terribly sorry, guys. Yeah, that's like the second time that's happened. I don't even have any of the previous chats or anything like that. So yeah, I do apologize, everyone. So yeah, this isn't my usual streaming platform or how I've set it up. I'm literally on the laptop on the couch at the moment. So yes, it's yeah, awkward when this stuff happens. Anyway, how is everyone going? Hopefully everyone's going well. we are now just testing out NearBeach. So the idea is we're finding all the nitpicky bugs and hopefully we won't come across any critical bugs, fingers crossed, with the idea that we'll fix up quite a lot of them this month. Yeah. We also got to finish off the Docker builds and stuff like that, get the cron jobs working, but I don't think I will have enough time to do that today. I'm on charge at the moment, but this is going down at the same time, so you'll see how long we can make it. It's gonna be one of those streams where everything just goes wrong. So yeah. Method 1, log into NearBeach. Log into NearBeach to navigate the menu. And it's my profile, it's the user, yeah. User, my profile up. Actually, we're going to a customer. Yeah, we're going to a customer. Find objects. Find customers. Select any customer on the customer information page. Upload a new profile picture. Upload another profile picture. Expected results. No excess stuff off the bottom of the widget. Actual results. Excess stuff off the bottom of the widget, which is always a lot of fun. Please see screenshot. All right. Yes, socks. We also have socks here today, but sadly we don't have treats. Come here. Say hi to everyone. Suzette's up. She's like, yeah, no. No, I don't want to get up. Alright, there goes socks. You can run away. I'm at my partner's place. It was 1 degree Celsius today in the morning, and I had to cycle into work. But I'm glad I stayed here because it would have been a little too cold at mine. Alright, I'm going to put this as minor. I mean, it's not the biggest thing ever. It's a bug. It's going to be submitted, unassigned, subsystem. This is going to be customers. We're going to have no version. And we're just going to hit create. All right, cool. Let's get back into it. So that's a nitpicky bug. What we want to do is we just want to get rid of these little things down here. When the profile picture uploads, so for example, if we do carbon again, we just want it to upload. And I think we put a limit on the size and stuff like that, so it should be fast to load up. There are no associated objects with this particular customer at the moment, so we're going to create that. So let's do a requirement, and let's go build a new blog site. So we need to build a new blog site to show. All right, I'm just going to keep it like that. We're not going to fill it all out. Let's go NearBeach. Let's go. Yeah, this is in progress at the moment. This is non-specific. It's just for the QA team. Let's go create these requirements. All right, cool. In the QA team, we're keeping it as that. We're going to add in both team leader and read only who are working on this. All right. Team leader doesn't have an image. Let's actually change that right now. So yeah, here it works, adding that little bit of space in, and I should look at doing that and then when it's finished, close it off. Yeah. Let's go back. Let's hit refresh. I don't know if you guys heard that then. I think she's in a complaining mood. Are you in a complaining mood? Really? I think she's been a little under the weather the last week. And now she's feeling a little bit better. She's a bit more chatty. Alright, so. We've got that. We don't need to add in any more groups or anything like that. With the requirement items, I'm not going to add in a requirement item at the moment. I'm just going to add in... Oh, I should add in requirement items. Yep. Simple requirement. What we want is blogs page to display an assortment of blogs. Will have search functionality. And this is currently just in draft. This will be a feature. Single blog page. Actually, no, that will be part of the blogs thing. That's small enough. And so forth like that. I'm just double checking chat. All right, cool. As for requirement links, we're not doing anything yet. Documentation, let's see if we can upload a document. I'm just gonna upload, actually, let's just close that. Reset form. Cool. We've got the customers. Let's add in the customer right now. Unknown protagonist. There we go. Their profile picture is coming through nicely. That's looking a lot nicer than what we had before. We don't have any sprints for this. We won't create any sprints at the moment for this because we want to set this up in a particular way. And we don't have any useful tags. So we're not going to add in tags at the moment. However, we should be able to add in a tag in here. Now, what would be a good sort of tag? Let's go features. Let's change this. Let's definitely use a darker blue. There you go, features, save tag. Oh, that's going to annoy me. Yeah, I need to change all these icons into fonts. I think that's just going to be the better sort of solution. So, yeah. Okay, bit of yawn. Alright. Not a problem. We'll move on. Notes. Oh, I think on a... All right. What I'm doing, I am going to take a screenshot of this. I don't like how this is like this. I'm going to say visible. I'm going to copy it. And we're going to write a quick bug report. So, notes module should full screen when in tablet size. And talking about bugs, there we go. I'm finding all the bugs today. So when writing notes for any object, and the screen size is rather narrow, I.E on a tablet, we should consider changing this to be full screen. Now we do this automatically for other sort of modals and so forth like that in NearBeach. It just makes it a lot easier for the mobile users. So I'm going to put this as normal. We kind of want to get this done. It's just going to be a bug. It's going to be submitted. It's going to be assigned to me. This is MISC. Let's go create. All right, cool. All right. I'm just making sure the chat's still working and it hasn't broken. Yep, all right, cool. So, the next thing I want to do actually, we never added in a note, did we? So, writing a simple note, user requires, it's not working, that chat thing again. Damn it. It's just, what the hell? All right, sorry guys, I'm gonna have to figure a way to fix this. I am going to stop that. The joys of when technology just doesn't work. Okay, Twitch can turn off. I updated it today too. That's the problem, I updated it. So it's the update curse. All right, Safari. Well, I don't want you to go to Teams. Let's go Twitch. Okay. And then I should see the chat somewhere. There you go. Okay, cool. And then I'm just going to do a quick test. Feel free to drop everyone. I'm doing Judgmental Lily. She's judging the chat functionality not working. All right, cool. It's working on there now. And delay? Yeah, potentially. It's just, yeah, my poor laptop. It's struggling at the moment. In fact, I probably can close PHP Storm because I don't need it opened. And yeah, all right. A simple user requirement. Okay, cool. That popped up like that. Edit node. Adding some extra information. All right, cool. Delete note. Yep. Sweet. Can the read only edit this note? All right. Sweet. So what I want to do is I want to get the read-only user to enter this. Oh, an ad, really? I'm gonna have to solve that. All right. So I'm in read-only now. I'm just gonna paste the URL. So in here, we won't be able to edit any of this, which is what we want. We will be able to visit the organization. And from here, we can definitely go back to the requirement. We can't go to that one. All right. That's something we need to sort of solve. Because we only want to show sort of projects, requirements, and tasks that the user has access to in here. So that would be a small little bug. All right. That was weird. I'm finding all the bugs tonight, aren't I? So, associated objects contains objects the user does not have access to. All right. So, 1, log into NearBeach to search for an organization. 3, go to the organization. 4, under the under the associated objects, click on the all right, cool. I think I don't need the instructions with this. All right, I just need to explain what's happening. In the above image, the requirement 1 is only accessible by the admin user. This particular user does not have any access. This object should not be appearing in this list. Now, priority, I'm just going to say it's normal. And the reason being is it's not... I need to get rid of these. I don't know when those popped in. The reason being is the person doesn't have access. It's fine. The type is definitely a bug. State is definitely submitted. The assignment is definitely to me. And then the subsystem would be organizations. And then we're going to create one. We're going to test this for the customer too. Sorry, there is a can that I am going to kick over. I'm just moving it. Getting really close now. Look at me, I'm just literally just a bubblehead. All right. So, where am I? I'm over here. So the user doesn't have access to this. Now, if we actually go to the customers, I want to see if that is on the customer too. So what I want to do is, I'm terribly sorry about the bright light suddenly affecting everyone and everyone being like, ah. I will change that this second. Oh, I need to fix the validation issues. So at least that functionality works. Okay, customers, we're going to add this into the customer. And then we're going to go over here and we're going to refresh on the customer. And yeah, it's the same thing. So the same bug. Look, my shoulder made it in. And we're just going to redo it. So what I need to do, I need to do that. I don't think there's a way to, all right, no problem. I paste in the image. Yeah, sucks. Give me. Say hi. There you go. Say hi, sucks. He's like, hey. She's like, nope. Grumpy. Okay, I better put my profile image down. Don't you dare knock over my iPad. God, it's just pandemonium here. I didn't save the freaking image in the thing. Oh, just, whoa. Sweetie. I am just finding all the bugs tonight. Alright. Socks. Stop it. Sorry, she just wants to knock it over. Please see attached images. What we want is... Now this is called associated objects. Associated objects containing objects user does not have access to. Customer images, the user does not have access to RAQ1. This should not appear in the list. All right, cool. So what we want to do is we definitely want to add that link relates to. We're just going to create. Done. I'm going to get rid of that star. I don't like those stars. I'm just going to go... Oh, I forgot to actually do the priority. Sorry, this is normal. This is type bug. This is state. Submitted. Should be assigned to me. Subsystem would be customer. Oh, get back here. All right, so we're bumped up to 15. That's fine. 15 bugs is fine. We can do this. Okay, cool. So let's go into. Don't knock over my iPad, Missy. No. No. All right, so the read-only can't edit anything, which is great news. Yeah, they can't do much. They can see these guys. They can go here. They can't create anything. Great. Can't create any links, sorry. The big yawn coming through. Documentation, they can download it, which is nice. Customers, they can see the customers, but can't add anything. There is an extra line there. Did we want that line in? What I'm doing is I'm just removing the line and I'm just checking it out without the line. I'm going to be nitpicky. I'm going to say, yeah, let's get rid of the line. Okay. Oops, I can close the Embraco stuff now. We're down to 40%. Oh. All right, remove HR line on customers when as read-only user. All right. Okay, I don't know if anyone's chatting. Now I'm really paranoid that the chat isn't working. Yep. Log in as read-only user to navigate to any open object, i.e. project task requirement. Right. This affects all of them. On the object information page, click on the customers tab, and then expected results, no extra HR line, actual results, got an extra HR line. I haven't said method. Alright, easy done. Method done. Priority. This is just going to be normal. This is a quick and easy fix. Bug. The state is submitted. It's assigned to me. It's parents part module. We're just going to create. And instantly gets a star. Alright. So. There's one little nitpick that I want to get rid of. The sprints, cool. The sprints have that same sort of feature. And we do kind of want to remove it. It looks weird. And yeah, if we remove it, it just looks so much better. I'm looking left because my iPad's to the left, if anyone's wondering why I'm like, Okay, cool. I should have just done it. There's no way to clone this, is there? No. But that's fine. Remove. Oh, piss. Alright. Is this going to behave? Because I feel like it's 50-50 at the moment with this working. So remove extra HR line when read only. Sprints. Parent module. I've got to do the same thing with the other one to differentiate them. So method 1, log in to NearBeach as read-only user. 2, navigate to any object. Object I.E project task requirement. Right. On the information page, go to the sprint tab. Okay, expected results. Sprint section not to have an extra HR. Actual results. Sprint section has an extra HR. All right, priority. Let's go normal, type, bug, submitted. Parents module. All right, cool. Let's just create. Done. Sweet. All right. So we're going to get rid of that. That's easy. MISC. Please have no. That's an extra. All right. Please just paste. Oh, you did it again. Method. I'm going to duplicate this because a lot of this is just copying and pasting and it's almost the same bug. All right. Can close that. Cancel. Do that because I know if I cancel that, it's going to cause massive issues. All right. My current issues. Let's click on this one. Let's copy this. Let's go over here. Let's paste it in. This will be the MISC parent modules. And then all I need to do is just copy this, paste it in. MISC tab. And then write, please see attached screenshot for reference. All right. That's definitely not going to be major. Parents module, and I'm going to add link relates, add link relates, and I'm just going to go create. Okay, so it's in MISC, in the notes. It's in the notes. Yeah, that's weird. It does it half the time. Good thing about these particular bugs, we can fix really, really quickly. It might be one of those things where I start up a stream with these particular bugs because I can get them over and done with. All right, cool. And then we meet our minimum requirement for doing a release. So yeah, we just need to edit this particular one. Customers, parents, module. All right, cool. Save. It's gonna be cool. All right. Yes. We'll see how we're going. We've been streaming, I think, an hour and a half. Yeah. Might be... How long have I been streaming for? It doesn't say, does it? No, it doesn't. So yeah. We'll see how I go. I am literally playing by how fast this will down, you know, it's, yeah. I think we can make it to 9 o'clock, and then I think I've got to call it there. So, yeah. I just don't have my setup tonight or anything like that. I don't even have my Mac charger with me. So, yeah, just watching this drain very, very quickly is, yeah, I know I'm not going to make the rest of the stream. So, and I'd rather not cut it off and have everyone miss out. I'd rather have it like raid someone just before cutting off. All right, so we are here. Read-only user can't make notes at the moment. We are going to be implementing a fix with that soon. So for those that don't know, under the permission sets, we have extra grant permissions. So grants the ability to upload, grants the ability to comment on Kanban boards, grants comments on projects and tasks. Now I'm saying that out aloud. Oh, I need one for requirements. So that way it's very granular and specific. Because if you enable it for everything, I mean, yeah, I think there was a good reason why I decided to have it like that. So, yeah. Alright, cool. So they can't edit this note or create any notes or anything like that, which is what we will test for. Let's also... just jumping into my profile very, very quickly, because I can update stuff in here very easily. Yep, easy done. We did update the dark theme before. Let's update a Persona 5 profile picture. Let's go to Persona 4. Let's change things up a bit. There you go. That's a lovely one. Let's save the image as Sonar for profile. Oh, too large. Oh yeah, it's a PNG. And why is it too large for that? Tell you what. It doesn't need to be the highest quality. It's the PNG again. Oh, I swear to you, sometimes I'm going crazy. Desktop. There you go. Perfect. Okay. So we're all happy with that. Okay. List all objects. So we're only seeing what we're seeing. A simple project. I can't add myself to this, which is fine. But I did want to test something else first. I did want to jump into this requirement item. And I want to go, all right, cool. No, I can't add users to this requirement item because it's done at the higher level. That makes sense. Because the idea is you then plan it and then you create the specific tasks and projects for it. All right. Let's see if... Because if I go into my planner, I've only got an option of Kanban cards and so forth like that. So let's go ahead and create a Kanban board. A simple Kanban board. Let's just have one sprint. Let's go delivery. Let's go backlog, blocked, in progress. Let's remove that. Let's, yep, all right, cool. There's already something in there with a, all right, cool. Delivery board. I'm gonna add a new card. Simple card for delivery. I'm gonna, let's say it's a high priority. Let's add it in. All right, so we're happy with this. We're like, all right, cool. We need to add a user in. We want to add in the read-only user. Boom. Ooh. I need a bit of margin under here. Yeah, something like that. Okay, let's reload. Let's take a screenshot. Let's hope it pastes in. Ah, you son of a gun. Get up there. Thank you. All right, so card information. User list needs some margin at the bottom. Okay, please note in the screenshot, the add user button is too close to the list of users. It will be nice to add in a little padding. This is just normal. It's just a bug. Submitted to me. Card. Kanban card. All right, cool. Create. Let's get rid of that star. Okay. Yeah. Definitely need some space there. But the best thing is, if I change this to card now, it instantly appears here. So we can go like that and add it straight in and be like, no. Oh, all right. Take screenshot, show visible. Let's go copy. Because read-only can create a planner. Because sometimes you might not want a read-only to modify what's there and stuff like that, but still give them tasks, and then add in the ability for them to add comments in and only comments. So yeah, it's designed to be like that, because sometimes people want to set out specific sort of structure and they don't want someone coming in and changing and tweaking it. Read-only user can't update their planner. Method 1, log into read-only. Log into NearBeach as read-only. Navigate the menu. User my planner. Be careful, socks. Don't knock over my iPad, please. 3, on the My Planner page, try and add in any object using the add object. Expected results, user able to add in object, as they can also plan their day. And then actual results, user cannot do this. Another thing is, for example, you might also have a read-only user that wants to track these tasks, and they're just keying them in there just to be like, all right, cool, I'm just having a look at these particular tasks and so forth like that. So yeah, there's many reasons why the read-only user will need a lot of this functionality. And yeah. All right, this priority is actually going to be, I'm going to say critical. There's no workaround at the moment. I'm going to say this is a bug. This is submitted. This is definitely assigned to me. This is definitely part of the, this is part of the planner. The My Planner functionality. So this, I want to actually fix up rather soon. Sooner rather than later. So we're going to use the latest. We're going to add that into the latest release. Okay, cool. So I've just added that in. And I am a little concerned Nightbot hasn't been dropping today. So, yeah. Yeah, I got the drop functionality working. And I just realized, yeah, my chat is not updating whatsoever. I am, once again, sorry if people are chatting and I can't see you. I'm not seeing the chat at all. Which is very concerning. So, yeah, I do apologize. And we're down to 33%. Yeah, we're only going to make it to 9 o'clock today. But that's fine. That is fine. We found some bugs. We can quickly fix a lot of these bugs and so forth like that. These particular bugs down here, the grant comments and stuff like that, I'm going to actually escalate them to major. Yeah. That way they'll get completed sooner rather than later. So, yeah. Oops. It's saying 1 hour and 49 minutes till fully charged. I don't think that's correct. Okay, I wonder why it's giving us a 400. Let's actually have a look. I'm going to bump this off to the left. We're going to hit the network. We're going to close this and we're going to go save changes. Boom, 400. Bad request. Oh, we have a 500 error. All right. Let's actually test this using another user. This is the team leader. Let's test the admin. Has this not been working? Okay. Now the problem is, this is test. I can turn on debug. Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn on debug. So give me a couple of seconds. Yep, I'm still here. Don't worry. This screen's better than the other screen. You can still hear me. So I've just got the secrets up. I'm just going to go to NearBeach test, and what I'm going to do is I am going to turn debug on. So that's a simple flag for me. Debug equals true. Already done. Okay, cool. Let's get out of that. Let's bring you guys back. Let's go. All right, I'm back. I should bring myself down a little bit more and be like, hey. Just then, I kind of like this circle thing and stuff like that. I'm gonna have to see if Linux has a thing like this. So, and I do know the thumbs up does fireworks. All right. Let's go to network. Now it's giving us a 400 bad request, but it's giving us that at the same time, which doesn't make much sense. Why 500 and then 400? Yeah. Look at that. Ooh, sorry. Read-only users can't update their planner. I'm going to write some notes into here. Upon investigating further, I have noticed that other users have the same issue. However, I would like to point out we are testing on the testing test.nearbeach.app web server. I have no, I'm not doing command, thank you. I have not come across the same issue for my local environment. Alright, so what I'm going to do, prod.nearbeach, so this is NearBeach's prod environment. I'm going to go into my planner. I'm going to add an object, and I'm going to go Kanban card, Minio blob storage. That should be finished. Yeah, it's the same here. The migration files should have pushed all the database changes. So, yeah, this is weird. Okay. Oh well, we'll continue testing. I did want to see if the read-only user could potentially do this. It looks like they can't. It's disappointing. I did want to, yeah, really be like, yay, user can do stuff. And have their stuff appear. Because the idea is everything should appear in the dashboard and so forth like that. And we've got a 400 error again. Now I don't get that on production. Part of the to-do app. Have we not? I have a feeling the database migration files might not have been pushed, which is concerning to say the least. Shoot. Okay. It's becoming more of a problem now. Don't knock over my iPad. All right. Tell you what, let's investigate this. So github.com, NearBeach. What we're going to do is we're going to go through the commits, find out where we committed that, my planner. All right, so we got something here. My planner can't tell if objects are closed. Not quite what we wanted. All right, modifications to today's to-do. Added color for the dashboard widget, and add a link to the My Planner. Let's have a look at the source code. So we want to go to NearBeach. We'll go back. We want to just go to NearBeach. We want to go to not static NearBeach. Sorry, I wanted to go into the migration files themselves, and we would have them named in here. So use job sort number. All right. I bet my laptop's not charging. No. So I'm gonna have to call it soon. So user job. We've got here all the user job sort of stuff, and the chat isn't appearing either. So there's been times where I haven't talked to people. The freaking chat doesn't. Yep. Alright, change user Kanban card, projects task. Yep, alright, so this is it. We do have the migration file. And good morning, Rich Codes Web. How are you going? I'm so glad you actually chatted then, because our chat has not been working at all tonight, and I'm glad to see that it's kind of fixed with the workaround. So yes, I'm at my partner's place today, so yeah, I'm on my laptop. So yeah, not the usual setup. How are you going? Hopefully you're going well. We're debugging an issue we're having. So yeah, not doing so well, but that's healthy. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. That's not good. Are you feeling ill or something? Sorry to hear that. Alright, so we do have the migration file in here. So it should have applied those migrations to the database. So what I'm going to do is I've got to do this in incognito mode.
Not registered.
I'm sorry, the webcam doesn't appear there. I'm just connecting to my test account, which I can't. All right, laptop screen. You're on the umpteenth restart of the 2020 version of the annual project. Oh, fair enough. Fair enough. This time doing it in 3 separate projects. Ooh. Okay. Fair enough. So what languages, if you don't mind me asking? What frameworks? Okay. So everything should be there. I can't access the database at the moment. I need to go to the portal and so forth like that. OMI is arthritis that is triggered by changes in... Oh, that's not good. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, that is definitely horrible. Ugh. Just the thought of arthritis. It's always been TypeScript, always will be. Fair enough. Yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to when I move my front end into TypeScript. So yeah, that'll be good. Oh yeah. Oh, we're at the 29% now. Oh, we're running low. Okay. This bug will need a lot more investigation. So I'm gonna say we found a critical bug. We found literally just one critical bug. Which is good that we've only found one critical bug. We always find a critical bug. Let's go and go into a project. So a simple project. So down here, this should all be fine. Oh, the documents. Did we have one on documents? No, we didn't. All right. Sorry, a lot of the bugs I've been finding tonight have been nitpicky. All right, sorry, I mean, this version will always be TypeScript. Previous versions have been Django, PHP, Ruby. Oh, okay, fair enough. Yeah, I wouldn't mind, like I said before, I will eventually get the front end of NearBeach, which is in VueJS, using TypeScript. So that will be really nice to actually do. It's going to be a lot of work. I've been putting it off for a long time, so it's going to be a lot of work. It's going to be one of those things where we do it between a major release. So we'll stabilize all the code, and we'll just do a massive sort of this sort of thing, and then do a release. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I think he'll bring a lot more structure. All right, cool. I'm glad I can just drag that up there now. All right, cool. what was I doing? I was putting in this bug, so I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to paste that in. I'm going to go documents. Sorry. I don't know if that's my partner at the door or not. There he is. All right, cool. Oh. Oh, okay. I thought that was food.
I realized when I was coming out, I can't keep it continuing.
Yeah, I thought that was food. I thought the food was coming. Disappointing. I was like, I'm getting so excited. The situations of it, it's starting simple with Express API. Fair enough, it always starts simple. It always does. I've given up on the next /React. 10 attempts and my brain won't conform. Fair enough. Yeah, it's a different sort of concept. If you're not used to it, it is hard wrapping your head around it. But I think, if I'm honest, I know it's more of my mental state and lack of ability to learn. Yeah, it's just a different pattern of how things are done. I mean, I've got to sit down and start relearning React and so forth like that. I know it's changed drastically since last time I've built something in it, and I kind of want to. So I've got a robotichead.me WordPress site. So I'm going to be building this up over the next couple of months, adding blogs in. Any sort of problem that I find with NearBeach, which I find interesting how I solved it and stuff like that, I want to write a blog about it. But I also want to write in widgets and stuff like that for this. And WordPress uses React for that. So yeah, I've got to essentially relearn it so I can write some WordPress React widgets. Simple does not equal simple. It's bloody complex. Fair enough. Yep. When I used to work at my last job, I used to work with a couple of ladies who essentially got angry with me being like, oh yeah, that's easy. Oh, that'll take no time. They used to hate it. They used to be like, no, it'll take time. It is not that simple. I'm like, but you just do that? No, not that simple. All right, this will go for the parents module. All right, sweet. Let's go and create. Thankfully, Prisma is making it easy. Oh, all right. Flowchart or programming language? Don't know. Sorry, is the ORM I'm using? I haven't used it yet. But then again, I've been using Django and so forth like that. I love ORMs. Yeah. Well, fair enough. Get straight into bright light mode. There we go. Oh, nice. Oh, cool. This is good. If it supports multiple different databases and stuff like that, that's the one thing I like about the Django ORM, is it supports a bunch of different databases, so I don't need to worry about that. And the idea is I'll program it so that way it will cover most databases like SQLite, MySQL, Postgres, so forth like that. So yeah. All right, I am going to read up on this after stream. Cool.
Now I'm going to.
All right.
Oh,
I'm getting more stuff from the car.
yeah.
All right, so we're in here, linked objects. All right, that's fine. Oh, linked objects, that also has that. Okay, cool. That lovely bug we keep finding. This is going to be one day where I'm going to release 20 bug fixes, and it's just going to be, we're just removing all these extra lines from the bottom of these. That's all it's going to be. All right. And we're at 27%. Ooh. I think the laptop starts slowing down soon. All right, summary. Let's, once again, copy this. Paste this. Copy this. Paste this. This will be documents, or linked objects, sorry. Yeah, that's pretty simple. This is just going to be normal. It's a bug. Submitted. Me. Parents module. Alright, cool. Then we're going to create that. Easy done. Alright, sweet. So, you like Django, but hated DRF when I tried it. I started out like you with Django API, but it broke my brain. Okay, fair enough. The last published version of the website was all Django. Yeah, I essentially created my own sort of API, just because I've got very custom permissions for NearBeach. So it was just easier for me to actually create that and set up all the decorators and so forth like that. So yeah, for me, I've kept it simple for me. God forbid if someone comes in and be like, I don't know what these permissions are doing. It's like, it's a Venn diagram. So yeah, they'll be like, no, this is just crazy code. I'm like, Venn diagram. All right, so sprints. Okay, yeah, we've removed it from here. That's looking nice. MISC, yeah, we've got MISC and we've got the notes bug already set. This is working how we want it to. We can't edit anything in here, which is great news. Okay, cool. I'm probably going to have to call it there because I'm running out of battery. I know food's coming up and I'm actually really, really hungry and you guys don't need to see me shovel food in my mouth. So let's go raid someone. And my poor laptop's overheating. The poor little thing. Let's raid Adrian Learns. So, yeah. You know, I've got to do this in a particular way. Someone needs to charge their door. Give me a couple of seconds. Sorry, guys. I think... Oh, can I do it over here? Oh, I didn't copy, did it? It's not wanting to copy over. All right. That was weird. Anyway, thank you very much, everyone, for coming tonight. It has been wonderful. Essentially, yeah, we've set up the goals for this particular month. We're doing quite a number of... we found a number of normal bugs. We only found one critical bug, which is awesome. So hopefully it's just a config issue or something like that, and I just need to fix it somehow. So yeah, thank you very much, everyone, and I do hope you enjoy Adrian Learns' stream. So yeah, thank you.
Subscription. Oh, the old subscription, don't I have any follower ones?